Do you want to personalize how your note look and behave? Samsung Note lets you customize its note by changing the scrolling direction, background color, and how colors appear in dark mode. Let me show you how. First, open the Samsung Note app, then open any note. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Next, tap Page Setting. Here, you can customize several options. First is scrolling direction. You can choose vertical, which is default, or horizontal. For this example, let's keep vertical. Next, you can change the background color. By default, it uses a transparent background, but you can choose another color if you prefer. For this example, let's choose a light color for the background. As a note, if your phone is in the dark mode, you might find an option to enable or disable adjust color in dark mode. When that option enabled, Samsung Note automatically adjusts the back color to make them more comfortable to view while using dark mode. And that's how you customize Note back on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.